basically nutrients are divided into two categories. Broadly, for vine crops and for leafy crops. Broadly they are divided, but you can always monitor it even to that level also. There are equipment available which supply different nutrient to different plants. We earlier had a system, but we have dismantled it. I designed it myself as a software engineer. He will understand that you have a multiple system of solenoid valves, and then you can have multiple nutrient linked to the other solenoid valve. A1, this valve will fire. Both, this will supply to that nutrient. After 5 minutes, this valve will close, this valve will fire, it will supply to different. So you can have a different, it's very easy. It's not a rocket science again to give different nutrient to different type of plants. In Freethcoat, we have this system already there because we have a multiple cropping system. Why we have a multiple cropping, I will show you that also, tell you. What could be the size of a hydroponic farm? Some people say, sir, कितना बड़ा होना चाहिए? मैं कहा, आप 2 कमरे रखो घर में, 2 ही बहुत है बस, तो हाइड्रोपोनिक है आपका. और भारत में सबसे बड़ा जो फार्म है 125 एकड़ है. That is near the Hyderabad airport. Reddy and his wife, they are running it. It is one of the largest hydroponic farm. Simply Fresh. The name is, if you have on YouTube, you can check up Simply Fresh. They have a huge farm which is hydroponic. Let me tell you one more thing. Production and selling, they don't make too much money. Trading makes too much money. Neither the producer gets the value and nor the consumer gets the value. In between, if you see, there is a series on Netflix called Perishable. If you are to go into farming, you must watch Perishable. If somebody want to go into politics, he must watch the House of Cards. So similarly, if somebody want to go in farming, you must watch Perishable. In Perishable, one episode on Azadpur market, Delhi. He says the Karela enters at 5 rupees a kg from farmer. And within the market, it leaves at 40 kg. 35 rupees are traded in a couple of tiers within the Azadpur market. So trading जो है, इसीलिए हमें भी कई बार लोग कहते हैं, तो कई आते हैं, आप सर वो ट्रेड करो, हमारे ग्रो बैग ये वो फलाना, मैंने कहा नहीं, हम फार्मर को लूटेंगे नहीं, हम फार्मर को नॉलेज ट्रांसफर करेंगे, that's it. We are not going to make money out of equipment sale. And that's why they sell equipment. I will show you, we have 4 motors installed here on our farm. I asked a quotation for that motor and somebody gave me 26,000. I asked him to send me a photograph. He sent me a photograph thinking maybe a farmer wanted. He never knew that who is asking. So he sent me the photograph with the label of the motor. So I checked on internet and I bought 4 motors for 24,000 from China. That is the kind of trading. How much money I would lost by, that is important. This is what I told you in the beginning. I will tell you all the secrets so that nobody can cheat you. No need to buy from anyone. What do you want to buy? Why do you want to buy from Simply Fresh? Make a list. Send it to me. I will tell you from how to order it and cheapest. Where from Simply Fresh will buy, we'll buy from there. Rather than asking from Simply Fresh is a manufacturer, I will buy it, no problem. But if they are only traders, then why should I buy from him? Don't buy from traders. Buy from the manufacturers. This is another key, thing in hydroponic farming. Don't buy anything from a trader. Buy it from a directly manufacturer. These days, all manufacturer addresses are available. Trade India, this India, that India. You can check up anywhere. And moreover,
sometimes the manufacturer may say we don't sell directly. Contact our.
No, in China, every manufacturer sells it directly. They don't have any dealer in India. You can ask a pin and you can ask an aircraft. They will deliver everything. So they don't sell through agents. So it could be in your balcony, it could be on the rooftop, it could be in the indoor, and you can have 100 square meter, you can have 100 acre. And in Israel, they don't call it a hydroponic farm, they call it the plant factories. They say because it's totally closed environment and they produce plants like anything food they produce. Famous urban farms are there, multi-story farms within the city. In France, there is a company which is taking on rent the roofs of houses and big buildings, and they're setting up farms on that. They will rent out take on rent your roof and then set up a farm and then start growing. Because, food is, lot of money is wasted on transportation of food. My friend from Himachal will know, my friend from Lahore will know. Gobi used to come from Lahore, selling at 80 rupees a kg in Delhi. If the gobi is produced in Delhi, why should it be at 80 rupees? The strawberries are produced in California. All the way travel up to Toronto, 3,600 miles or something like that, distance 1,800 miles. Why? Why the food should not be produced in situ? If cities are the biggest consumers of food, why should the food be produced in villages? Why not in cities? No transportation, nothing. So that's the urban farm concept. And then the vertical farms, of course, these are all names of hydroponic farm. Vertical farm is a hydroponic farm. Urban farm is a hydroponic farm. Plant factory is a hydroponic farm. These are all you call by any name, because let me tell you, some people unnecessarily coin terminologies and they do it. It's all hydroponic generic term. The rest is all people have given them the names.